All right, guys, see you later. I'm Ronie, and I live in Sharpsburg, Georgia. My style would be comfy. Mostly, I wear either PJs or sweats, clothes that I've had for 15 years, or whatever's easy, I just pull out of the closet. I just like to be comfortable. It's more me. I think I'm fatter than I probably am, so sweatpants cover mostly everything.
Are you gonna change before dinner?
Probably not.
My sister has looked the same since we're about 12 years old. She'll put on pajama pants to walk the dog outside. She'll go to the store in tennis skirts.
Whatever, they still look cute, and at least maybe sometimes when I go to the store wearing them, people think I worked out. Ugh, so gross. My hair has been the same for a long time. I have naturally curly hair and it's frizzy, and I just don't know what else to do with it. I just throw it up in a ponytail every day.
She fosters animals, and instead of spending the money on herself, on clothes, she'll go out and she'll buy cat toys and dog toys.
When I found out my sister Carolyn nominated me for Makeover, I was completely blown away.
The main thing I want for my sister Ronie is for her to feel beautiful, to feel confident, just feel proud of who she is, because that's how I feel about her.
So we're back with Carolyn. She's the sister of our makeover today. We're back with our big guns and a gorgeous package. My buddy Kyan Douglas is also here. And we're trying to help a woman who's super sweet on the inside. Ronnie's her name, and she's gotten a little bit too comfy on the outside because she is rocking her PJs to town. So Kyan's been working on her backstage. We covered all the mirrors. She has not seen herself. How did it go, Kai?
It went really well. She looks incredible, and she's like my new favorite person. She's amazing.
Aww.
She's really a special person.
Are you excited to see Sissy?
I can't wait to see her. I cannot wait. She is the most beautiful person on the inside, and I hope she looks just as beautiful outside.
Aw,
Can't
she's
wait.
gonna cry.
I am. She's not even
cry,
here
you look
yet.
beautiful.
She's not even here yet.
Okay,
I'm
so
crying.
that's the before or after. She hasn't seen herself. Remember, let's get her on out here so she could take a peek. Ronnie?
Oh my God.
I know you can't see a mirror, but you know you look good, right?
I feel like I do, yes, but I'm freaking out. Oh my God, sorry.
If I had those legs, I would walk naked around town.
Right?
Oh, you don't like my pajamas?
Listen, I'm a pajama-loving woman, but I think your sister should go to your house and set your pajamas on fire.
After the show, everything's going away.
What do you think?
She is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Everybody is so nice. Thank you so much, Carolyn, for even doing
You
this for
girls
me.
go out drinking
Like-
when you leave here.
I know, right?
Everybody, thank you so
All
much.
right, Ronnie.
No, I'm afraid.
Don't freak out. Don't cry, because you look smoking hot. Turn around and look at yourself. You're going to freak out.
Okay. Oh